Hi. Today you will see cases that you would never have believed if they had not been captured on video. Sit down comfortably. Let's go.
You will never get into such a situation because I wish you good luck.
The pilot made an emergency landing right on the expressway. Due to a malfunction of the aircraft last year, the man had to land urgently on the road. Fortunately, not passing motorists were not injured, but they were definitely surprised. This footage captures a rare and amazing phenomenon. The strongest downpour mixed with tornadoes is rushing straight at residential buildings. It's hard to even imagine what the people watching all this from the windows were going through at that moment. However, the tornado suddenly stopped and disappeared into the air. How can you explain this? Write your suggestions in the comments. In this video, someone managed to film a bus that got stuck on the side of a very dirty road. Fortunately, all the people were evacuated on time because literally in a few moments the car floats away, leaving poor tourists without transport. In the following video, the woman decided to parachute with the instructor, but she did not yet suspect that she would remember this jump for the rest of her life. Right at the moment of the jump, they caught the suspension system on the landing gear of the aircraft. As a result, they hung in the air for more than 10 minutes while trying to unhook the parachute from the plane. To describe the emotions of a woman at this moment does not even require any words. After almost 9 minutes, the man was still able to detach himself from the landing gear of the aircraft. The next day, when the instructor posted this video on the internet, it gathered hundreds of thousands of views and comments. This moment was filmed during a wildfire in California. The tornado that suddenly appeared created a beautiful picture for the human eye. It's not every day you see a fiery tornado in the middle of a burning field. This incident occurred on the most frightening bridge in China, which was opened in 2018. Tourists from all over the world come here to get incredible emotions. But in this video, at the moment when the man was jumping on the bridge over a 120-meter cliff, his safety rope unfastened. Fortunately, he did not fall off and successfully left the bridge. But I think after this he will not want to visit extreme attractions soon. This author of the video managed to capture an amazing moment. The trees seem to really not want this car to go on. Would you allow your 4-year-old children to dive in a cage next to swimming sharks and hundreds of other representatives of the underwater world? Just look, the cracks in the cage are so big that children can safely swim through them and stroke a shark passing by. What do you think about it? Write in the comments. How many of you have had the opportunity to see a real whale live? This group of tourists sailing in the middle of the Pacific Ocean was not only lucky enough to watch him, but also miraculously stay afloat without turning over. After all, a giant mammal swam right under them literally in a matter of centimeters. I think they will remember this cruise for the rest of their lives. In this video, the tourist managed to shoot an unusual fight between a bear and a tiger. The tiger attacked the bear and tried to bite through his neck with his mouth. But he does not succeed because the bear's skin is very thick and the tiger cannot do it. Then he tries to exhaust the bear and when he gets tired to eat the prey, but the bear is not going to give up and still stands his ground. Less than a minute later, the bear managed to escape from the predator's mouth, and the picture of the fight instantly changed. Now the angry bear, despite its small size, gets up on its paws and starts attacking the tiger. The tiger immediately begins to retreat, realizing that further attempts to attack the bear are pointless. It sounds just incredible, but British surfer Tom Barker broke the world record by riding a 30-meter wave near the town of Nazaré in Portugal. This incredible record was captured on video. At the moment when the surfer's skating was filmed, a 30-meter wave suddenly ran up. It turned out to be much larger than the previous ones, but Tom was not afraid and rolled off it, thereby setting a new world record. In this video, a man is carelessly playing with the king of beasts. He seems to have tamed them like domestic kittens. Lions enjoy communicating with a good-natured person. It seems to be love. Write in the comments, would you like to have such a pet? This is truly one of the most beautiful escapes from the police. The owner of a sports car, like a character from Ta, flies at full speed under a rushing truck, deceiving the police and successfully hiding from the chase. Surely the racer felt like a real hero of the coolest action movie. Thank you so much for watching. If you liked the video, then don't be too lazy to like it, it will greatly help the promotion. You can also write any comment, I will read absolutely every one. See you soon. Peace.